Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off edge lighting in Samsung Galaxy S22. We are going to look for our notifications options. Where to look for it? Settings, then notifications pop-up style. And as you can see, we have edge lighting style right here. Right now we have this rainbow one selected. There are few other ones, but if you want to turn it off, we simply select none, and now, as you can see, we have our default settings. And don't forget to use done. And now, as you can see, edge lighting is none. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.